Hey guys, welcome from the beach. We're down in Morehead City near Atlantic Beach, and we're actually headed back to Arizona. So this is one of our stops, and we're at Circa 81 here, a good gluten-free and dog-friendly place. This is their lunch menu and gluten-free options on everything. We've been here before, but we didn't do a video, so we're gonna do one now. All right, the turkey pump on gluten-free with gluten-free potato salad, chicken for the pup, and a salad. Looks like pecans, chicken, balsamic, apples. This one has dill, Havarti, and turkey. And yeah, it looks really good. Let's dig in. All right, guys, lunch was actually really nice. A little warm today, actually. And we start our road trip across all the way from the beach to Arizona, so stay tuned. Lots of foodie adventures coming from Asheville, North Carolina, Nashville, Tennessee, Hot Springs, Arkansas, Oklahoma City, Santa Fe, New Mexico, and then we will be in Arizona.